This video shows the full download and install process for the HomeApp Home Purchase Risk Estimator application version 0.8.198 beta. This is a trial, non-commercial version for evaluation purposes. It shows the entire process, including about 1 minute to download the application over a high-speed internet connection. It also shows the couple of minutes that are taken in order to install the application fully on a Microsoft Windows 10 or 11 computer. The application takes a few minutes to install Python programming language and also a large number of advanced Python packages that give it all sorts of AI, machine learning kind of capabilities. That's why it takes a total time on a fast computer of about 5 minutes. The computer that's shown has a 2.5 gigahertz CPU. It's not the fastest computer, but it's pretty fast and reliable. Microsoft Windows may pop up a security notice when you try to run the installer. The default is not to run the installer. You can click on more info or some similar link in the security notice and proceed to run the installer, as shown here. The HomeApp installer has finished installing the files that it uses, including the models and data and so forth. It will now run a program to install a Python and the Python virtual environment. This is a sandbox that keeps all of our stuff away from your system. It doesn't change anything. All of the program is run in this virtual environment sandbox as a standalone environment when HomeApp is run. That's to avoid conflicts with any software or other things that you have on your computer. This takes about a minute on a fast computer. The HomeApp installer begins to install the advanced add-on packages for Python. This will trigger a scan by our security software from Norton. You should wait for the security scan for your security scan software to complete before clicking on anything. The HomeApp installer installs a house or home desktop icon. Click on that icon to run HomeApp. Mathematical software develops algorithms and software to automate complex data analysis, including our core math recognition technology, a search engine for math, which empowers users to find obscure mathematical formulas for otherwise incomprehensible data.